Okay, Algebra 8. What we are doing today are adding integers. This is an integer, is just a positive or negative whole number. So when we add integers, we need to focus on, I always talk about like, are they on the same team or a different team? Because if they are on the same team, we add them. Different team, we subtract. Okay, so positive 3, negative 7. They are different teams, so you subtract them. 7 minus 3 is 4, and they are on the negative team because there were more negatives than positive. And just visually, just to remind you guys, so I do plus, plus, plus. There were 3 on the positive team. There are 7 on the negative team. These cancel each other out. So what's left are 4 negatives. Okay? So our next one, we have negative 2 plus negative 5. Same team, so we're going to add them. This would give us 7. And just to visualize that, that would be 2 on the negative team and 5 more on the negative team. I might have had too many there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many total do we have? There's 7. Okay, the next one, negative 6 plus 2. 6 on the negative team, 2 on the positive, so we're going to subtract. So I would get 4. The negative team won, because there was more, so it's a negative 4. The next one, we have 3 on the negative and 6 on the negative, so they combine their forces. There's 9 total, but they are on the negative team. Okay, so now we're going to do evaluating, so that just means to solve. They're going to give you a variable. You are going to replace the variable with what it stands for. Make sure you bring the negative with it. So it's a negative 6 plus 11. Then you treat it the same way. So negative 6, 6 on the negative team, 11 on the positive team. That means that the positive team wins by 5. The next one, you put a negative 8 in for C, you add 4. So you've got 8 on the negative team, 4 on the positive team. The negative team wins, and they win by 4. Okay, so positive and negatives are often, we deal with temperature, we deal with money, we deal with distance, that we can talk about positive and negatives. So in this example, it says Mika opened a new bank account, find her account balance after the first 4 transactions listed below. So deposits are going to be positive because that's putting money in. Withdrawals are going to be negative. So we have positive 200 and positive 20. So that gives us a positive 220. And then we have a negative 166 and a negative 38. So I like to just add my positives and negatives together first. That just helps me kind of sort out this information. So this would be 14, this would be 10, so 204 negative. So now we've got 220 on the positive team, 204 on the negative team. What that means is that we're going to have to do some subtraction. 220 minus 204. So I get 16, and it is positive, so she barely has any money left. Well, that's just kind of how you would apply some positives and negatives to real life. Let me know if you guys have any questions.